Hi friends, in this video we'll look into how to do partition of drives in Windows 10 software. I think it's a common problem where we all guys keep on looking on Google or some videos, looking for videos how to do this when we buy new lappy and all having Windows 10 software. So I think this small video might help you guys. So let's begin. Let's start. First step is you have to just go to start button, click here, and you go to file explorer, and you can see this window, and in this you go to this PC, do a right click and go to manage. If you guys feeling it's too fast, you can pause and follow the steps. I'll try to go as slow as possible. So in this window, you will just go for disk management. Here you can see that this is a 220. It depends like if you people have like 1 TB, 500 GB, it keeps varying from what you purchase, depending on what hard drive capacity you guys have. So now I want to separate a volume, new volume out of this. So what I'll do is I'll just right click here. So I'll press shrink volume. It will take a little bit of time, you just have to buy a time. So here you can see how much of size is available to shrink here, right? So this much is there, and this row you can, it's asking how much you want to shrink, means how much you want to separate out of it. So say for example I'll enter 5000 here. Since it's in MB, it's like I'm separating 5 GB out of it. So click shrink here, and it will take a little bit of time, so just buy a little time. So yeah, now you can see here that the 4.88 GB has been unallocated, right? So what you do is you right click over here and select new simple volume and click next over here. So it's just repeating how much size is this, that simple volume size is. So just click next. So here you can assign whatever letter which you want to assign for that new drive you are partitioning out, right? So I'll just keep the D the way it was showing. So I'll go next, and here format this volume with the following settings, right? You can choose that F8032 or NTFS is fine, so I am keeping that as of now here. And you can label volume label, okay? I mean, like if you're keeping data, you can give data or movies, music, or softwares, games, depend, I mean, for what purpose you are separating out or partitioning out that thing, right? So I'll keep the way it is because I'm just demoing to you people how it is to be done. So I'll keep it that way, and I'll click next. So this is this thing, and I'll click finish over here. Yeah, here you can see is the new volume has been created, and name is new volume. If I would have given some other name, it would have come, and D is which I have been selected that dry code, and you would have given separate also. So when you minimize this, and you can see here, right, it was not there earlier, it has come out now. Your partition 5 GB out of this whatever was available for you guys. So now if you want to say undo what you have done, right, I mean you don't want this partition, so that is also I'll show how it is to be done. So same thing goes to this PC, right click and manage, and in this you go for a disk management. This new volume you don't want, right? So you do one thing, you right click here and delete. So it's asking that deleting this volume will erase all data on it. Backup any data you want to keep before deleting, do you want to continue? So that's fine. I mean, when you partitions here, use it for sometimes you might have kept some data. It's better you take a backup of it, then only you go for deleting, or else you'll erase this data or you lose this data. Since I am demoing all those things, all these things, so I'll just click yes here, yes here, yes here. So now it's back to the initial stage when we have done initial step while partitioning. Now it's like 4.88 GB is unallocated, right? So now what I'll do is I'll right click here because I want to merge this to this thing, right? So I'll right click here. At the first step we went to shrink volume, right? Now I'll go for extend volume. I want to increase volume of this, so extend volume. So I'll just click next over here, and it's showing how much you want to shrink. That's 5000 with which I have deleted. So I'll go to next here. I'll just finish it off. See, it has come like they were out of this. I mean, you deleted that partition. When you minimize and see this, see, it has gone, right? It has gone. So this is how it is done. And I hope you guys liked it, and I hope this video was helpful. Give a like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel, and keep looking for new updates for small tech videos. Thank you.